I'm Ecstatic Candle, and I'm ecstatic to be here today again with Void for an edition of Will You Press the Button? But today we're spicing it up, literally, with hot sauce.
Dear God.
Oh yeah. For every time we don't go with the majority, we get a teaspoon of hot sauce. And every time we go against the majority and it's fucked up, we get...
That looks like it's thick.
It is thick. Look at it gloop.
Oh God, it's like...
It's like dirty diapers in there.
No.
Yeah. It's the color of it too. But whenever we do something fucked up, like blowing up a city or just something really stupid, you get the extra hot sauce. And we'll both be doing it, so I won't torture him alone. We'll get ice cream after this. It's fine. I won't torture you for no reason. You'll get a reward. Pap, pap. You'll be fine.
Pat.
Does that relieve the pain?
No.
No? Okay.
No.
But let's get started. Whenever you blink, you take an image of what you can see just before. Wait. Okay, so it's like taking a picture. You can then assess these pictures mentally with a computer-like interface. This happens every time you blink. Photos cannot be deleted oh. So like every time you blink, you get an image. So I would be seeing you right now over and over again. Or like, just imagine if you walk in on your parents doing stuff and you blink like, what?
Oh God. Like, it's like horrible. Just...
But...
And just like, screen by screen.
Like,
basically, your mom and dad fucking.
Oh man.
Like...
But there's a way around it. You can just like force yourself not to blink like,
No. I think that would be cheating.
Okay, but what if... Plus, who wants to sit there with their eyes open during the whole thing?
Yeah, I know.
But what if you only blink once and then just don't open your eyes?
Then you have that image stuck there, and it won't be deleted.
No, it can't. It can never be deleted.
No. That's why I said it can never be deleted.
Yeah, but what if you want the good things? Like... Look at, like...
I could just imagine, like, you're just scrolling through whatever, like your phone, and someone just sends you a dick pic, and then like, fuck me.
What? Look away before you blink, and then whatever it is.
No, because it's like instantaneously. You're like, fuck.
Truthfully, I would kind of do it. I would want like photographic memory. Like, it would be helpful during tests, like going through each
Please
blink,
fuck up.
blink.
Please fuck up. Damn it.
Yeah. People are with me on this. Like, that would be the best cheating technique.
All right.
Your turn.
Be able to read people's minds, but only when they're thinking negative about you. I don't give a fuck, yeah.
Press that button.
Thank
you
you
agreed with people.
Thank you.
Your mind was actually with the set of other people.
Oh my gosh. No sauce.
No sauce. Oh. You may even go want to look more like what?
Wait, you may even go want to look more like what the fuck?
You never really even been far even as to decide to use. What the fuck does that mean?
So.
What the actual fuck?
So. You may for a sec, even go, want to do.
Look more like.
But you really even don't.
You never really even been far even as decide to use.
Like, what did we use?
What did we use? And what do we look more like?
I don't know.
This
is your question.
Oh, this is my question.
Yeah, this is your question.
I'm gonna say I do not. I will do not.
Please fuck up.
Oh. Yes! Majority! Yes, it is not getting saucy.
And the funniest thing is, that is a fucked up question. So, You would have got the extra hot.
No, I would not have. Will
Yeah.
I? Oh, that is a fucked up question.
Yeah. Next.
No, but it's only if we do something fucked up.
I know, but if you chose yes.
You can get any clothes you like. They will they will always be a size smaller.
Oh my gosh.
Just imagine if you got your Opie shirt. It'll really show off your boobs.
Oh my gosh.
Would you do it?
I gotta think about this.
Yeah. I know you're not a big clothes man, but
Bullshit, I fucking love clothes.
only if it's anime or YouTube or something related.
Or like long.
Yeah.
I can't stand small, so. No.
But the Opie.
But no nudity. It shows more nudity.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
It just
Smaller size.
insinuates.
Smaller size. I don't want
Oh,
people seeing my belly shirt.
You would be a
my...
crop top man.
No, I
Just
don't.
imagine an Opie crop top.
Oh god, no. It will look like some weird training bra that says Opie on it.
And not even at the right place. It would
No.
be like up here,
I know.
neckline.
It'll be like 4 pairs of boobs.
Uh,
No, 2 pairs of boobs.
Okay.
No, I will not. Please, please.
You disagreed. Wait, no. You're good. Oh, man.
Yes.
Okay, you would get your dream girlfriend dash boyfriend, but she would love you less and less every day.
Then.
So I would not. I would not press the button. It doesn't matter. Oh.
Ha!
No,
Ah!
Ha!
Fuck beans!
We just want the other to be the first
Yes.
to drink the sauce.
The sauce, man.
It's
No.
the sauce.
Next. You become smarter person in the world or smartest person in the world, and you will go down in history. But you become insane and end up killing billions of people with the nukes you have created and cause the apocalypse.
Is that any different from now?
Yes. Damn it! No.
That deserves the extra hot because
No.
you just nuked a whole bunch of people.
Who cares?
That's fucked up.
No.
That's fucked up.
No.
Oh, it's Goopy too.
No.
There you go. Take
Uh.
some. Take it.
No.
Shove it in your mouth hole.
I don't
Open your beautiful mouth hole and shut the fuck up.
No, I don't want it.
You have to.
No.
It's the rules.
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it. You didn't even get any.
I'm pussy.
You had to. Come on.
What am I even fucking around? That's awesome.
What?
Sheesh. Ooh. This is going to be easy.
Oh. Ah, that was not even. Oh. Why'd I do that? This is gonna be easy, he says. Are you okay? That's why it's the extra hot. We should probably get a napkin so we can wipe it off each time.
Late reaction.
Related reaction. Okay.
My ears are burning.
No. This was only the first time. You have to. This is why you should get. No, Brandon, that's for the spoon. Okay. Okay, my turn. Let's just hope you don't make any fucked up decisions anymore.
Curse my brain.
Okay, you have the potential to become a Super Saiyan 1, 2, or 3. But 5 random people you know, including yourself, are diagnosed with cancer.
Ha!
Oh! Is it cancer because of the Super Saiyan power? All of that yellow glow just comes out.
I don't know.
Oh, you're not doing too well, are you?
Is my face red?
Just a little. It looks just your cheeks and your nose. I would love to become a Super Saiyan.
Do it.
Only if it was a Super Saiyan Rose, though.
You know that's
Or blue.
You know that's the most powerful form of saying.
Yeah. Only then would I justify.
It's called rosé, actually.
Rosé. Only then would I justify it, but I would not. I'm good.
Fuck you.
Next.
You need to be tortured.
Hey,
You
I
gain-
torture you for a reason.
You gain powerful, and I can't speak.
Do you want me to read it for you?
Yes.
You gain very powerful and exact telekinetic powers.
Do it.
All
Fine.
your 5 external senses, sight, smell, taste, hearing, are dulled by 75%. So you would only get 25% seeing, smell, everything.
So
else.
everything will be blurry.
Yeah. You wouldn't be able to taste food very well. You wouldn't
Fuck
be able
it.
to hear people. You would press. Minority. That one's not fucked up, so you get the green.
Oh, I would love telekinetic powers, but still. Ugh. Oh, and it's soupy. Oh God.
Okay, that might have been a bit much.
Oh no. No.
Oh, I'm some of it off. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. Okay, there you go. This is better. Don't make me feed it to you again. Vernon, you got it.
Mama.
Did you just say mama?
Mama.
Here, let me put the airplane in your mouth. There's... Swallow it. Swallow it. Fight through the pain. You can do it. Ice cream. Ice cream. No, not on my rug, Brennan. Do you want me to bring my wastebasket in here?
Yeah. Oh God, this is fucked up.
Okay, for the rest of your life, you will get to sleep on the biggest, softest, most comfortable bed in the whole world. Okay? But it's constantly filled with a layer of crumbs that you can never get rid of. Well, I hardly sleep to begin with. So, I usually just draw stuff on my bed. So I don't think I want to constantly be sitting or sleeping in a layer of crumbs. And do you think it would accumulate over time?
Yes.
Yeah?
Probably. Depends if you eat on it.
Oh, true.
I can just imagine if it forces you to just...
And it's for the rest of your life, too, so it's a lifetime of crumbs just
Yeah,
building
so I
up.
can just imagine if you basically have no table and you have to eat on your bed because if you live in your bed and stuff,
Yeah.
you are forced, like, in your mind, just
To eat there? Oh.
dump it on your bed. Just like, all done.
Oh, and
Damn
true.
it!
And true, like with the Princess and the Pea, if she couldn't sleep with one pea, just imagine a lifetime of crumbs.
Oh my gosh.
That would, like, make it the most uncomfortable bed over time. So, I would not.
Yay, I sleep with roaches. Yeah.
Yay!
Oh my god, you need to lose.
Yeah? I'm sorry, I'm good
Read
at
for
this.
me.
Okay. You get to travel the world visiting every country and meeting loads of new people, but you never get to see your family again. At this moment, you would probably take it.
I press the button. My god, no!
I'll go easy on you this time. Only
I hate you.
only just a little bit.
So I hate you. There, no, there.
There.
Uh,
It makes it.
I think this is the worst one.
You do?
Yeah.
But it's just the regular hot. It's not the
I don't
extra
care.
hot.
I believe this is the worst.
Just put it in your mouth, babe. Take a fucking sip, babe.
I don't even think I feel it anymore.
You don't.
My mouth is just the sun.
Okay, my turn.
It's like radiation upon my lips.
You would be the hottest person in the world, but only able to pick up the ugliest people either. Well, not.
Oh my god. You need to feel this pain. You want to feel this pain.
No, I don't. You want me to read for you? again?
Yes.
You're guaranteed the scientific knowledge needed.
Done.
Oh.
Wait. Okay, read. Whatever.
Needed to produce limitless energy for the rest of the world at an affordable cost. You will, but you must live as a pauper, end your days with a solitary death in a remote shack in the woods.
I would do that. That sounds very reasonable.
It sounds relaxing.
I know it does.
It's okay, bro. Do you want me to do
Okay.
it?
To the people of the world. Fuck you!
Oh, man.
You put me through this pain. You all need to suffer like I suffer right now.
You are visibly sweating.
I am sweating. I am becoming the sun. I am becoming another star.
You are Sun Goku.
I am becoming another
Literally
star.
S-U-N. Goku.
I know. I'm becoming another star to the point where I will burn through our star and I will become the new sun. A blue star. Burning everyone with radiation from my lips. Oh, my lips are burning.
Every time you talk, it's like a solar flare.
Yes, it is
That
a solar
reaches
flare.
to the...
And it's not like a solar, or it's not like me talking. It's like I'm firing my, and it's like, and like, oh god, I can't even think right now. I'm sweating.
Okay. You can travel over universes, being... oh, wait. You can travel over universes, being then of movies. Oh, be in movies, I guess. Series, etc. And you will be your version of how you would be in that universe. Okay, so I would be able to go into any written movie, TV show.
Yeah, and be
And-
whoever you want.
But, just when you sleep, if someone wakes you up in one universe, you of the other universe will fall asleep. So if someone wakes you up in real life, you fall asleep in that universe?
Yeah.
So you can only...
So basically, your dreams will be that reality.
But I barely sleep.
I know. This will be perfect for mine because I sleep every day.
Yeah. No, I would truthfully want to do it. Like, I don't see that as being so much as a downfall. I would just be more so in my daydreams. So, yeah. You are so unhappy with me right now.
I want to punch you in the gut.
No, don't.
I want to punch you right in the face.
I'll take the next one for you. I'll be nice. Okay, you'll know everything in the universe, but you'll be unable to tell anybody. Instead, you'll just wee yourself. What?
So basically,
any
you
t-
would know everything, and someone asks you a question, and
I
they'll be
can't
like,
answer any questions?
no, basically, listen. So you'll have like some kid come up to you, like, am I going to get married when I'm older? And you'll basically be like, oh, well, that's the, oh god, I'm pissing myself.
Oh.
See, you'll wee yourself.
Well, I understand what wee yourself means.
So basically, every time you
I
try to
mean-
answer a question like, what is the answer of the universe?
But what if it's even with simple questions like, what's 1 + 1?
Still, you'll wee yourself.
Oh.
You can't answer anything.
I can't answer anything?
Nope.
Oh. But you'll know everything. Like, I just don't have to answer anyone. I can just,
Just,
So yeah, I would do it.
Please.
For a moment, I was tempted not to do it.
I'm like,
You're really hating me.
you will create a new super species of human, be able to overcome anything, and live at peace with themselves and their environments for millions of years to come. You will kill every single human on Earth that moment, including yourself.
Would you sacrifice yourself in the human race to make a better species?
You know, I would, but
Is that really your decision to make?
yeah, let's do it. Oh my.
I told you I would take one for you.
Okay, good.
I'm
good.
taking this one for you.
Good. Like, seriously. It would be better. Like, all the pollution gone.
Maybe you'd be able to invent a
No more
species.
war.
that would prevent pollution before it even happened. Who knows?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck! Ah! That's still on my tongue.
Yes. Oh, I'm enjoying this moment. Everything I have suffered, all the years of torture. This moment. This
I
moment
didn't
is.
even do anything wrong.
I know. That's the greatest part about it.
Fuck you.
I love this moment.
Oh, it's just like sitting at the back of my throat. Stop looking at me.
No, I am so into this moment
Why did I even think of this?
because you're a nice person, and that's what you get for being nice. While me, a smart person, I'm just an asshole. I don't give a fuck.
I'm not taking anything else for you.
Good,
Okay.
because I would never do it to you. For you, should I say.
Oh, my chest hurts. You gotta be in a relationship with one fictional character of your choice. But your family believes you are, or believe you to be perverted and insane for choosing a fictional character instead of a real person.
I would so do it.
I'm contemplating this. Oh, gosh. There's so many people to choose from, though.
I know. One fictional. You can't have your harems.
No reverse harems?
No.
No? Okay.
Can't have your reverse harems. There's only one character. Which, oh my god, I would so love Monster Mutsumi.
Do you know how fucked up that would be in the real world?
That would be great. Oh my gosh.
I would do it, truthfully.
Oh my...
Ha!
This shit. Fuck this shit.
Ha ha!
You can watch any TV show, film, listen to any song, whenever you want, on any device. The volume will always be quiet and can't have subtitles. Fuck that.
You would not?
No. Like, oh. Thank you.
The universe agrees.
I know. You stop the Holocaust
From ever
from
happening.
You die a slow, painful, torturous death.
Would you sacrifice yourself?
I will not do it.
No?
I don't care. Besides,
You actually went with the majority.
I don't care. I don't fuck with history.
True. Okay, you get $20 every time you inhale, but every year on your birthday, you have to eat a bucket of spiders. Can it be cooked spiders?
Probably live.
No, it never. It doesn't
I know it
specify
doesn't say,
it.
but
It could
probably
be
is
candied spiders.
live. Probably.
I'm up for trying something new. I'm down with it. Huh. I'm good.
You prevent a madman from cutting off your legs. But I don't care for my legs.
But you lose your thumbs.
That's stupid. No. I need my thumbs.
Hey,
Thank you.
50-50.
Oh my gosh. I would have won anyway. Thanks.
Yep.
Thank you, people of the internet.
For agreeing with you?
Yes.
Every time, or every benefit you got from pushing the buttons applies to you. So does every downfall. So everything before this applies to me,
Yeah.
but so does every downfall. Hell no. Why would you do that to yourself, though? Why? Oh, gosh.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, gosh.
It doesn't matter. You have to do it.
I know. Gotta do it.
Wait. No, it wouldn't be a fucked up question.
No, it's not a fucked up question. Gosh.
I know. It's like up in my nasal cavity. It's like. Ugh.
Good, sweet losery.
Yes.
Oh. Ah.
I have.
I got that up in my teeth as well. Oh.
I have
Oh.
so much bad juju. Next. You get to go to any world you ever wanted and marry the guy, girl of your dreams. Oh my gosh.
But your parents are dead.
You know, what? I wouldn't even be in the same world as they are. So, let's say this.
This room's even disappointed.
Like, okay, so, they'd be dead in this world. But if they weren't dead, I still wouldn't be able to see them.
Because you'd be in another world.
Yes.
You know, if you get minority, it's a fucked up question.
Fuck this.
Oh, so you're changing your decision just on that?
Yeah, I don't want extra hot.
No?
No sauce for me. I'm gonna punch you! Oh my god! Oh my god! You gotta have baseball bat around here.
No, I
Fuck
don't.
This shit. Fuck this shit.
I'll give you just a little bit.
No.
You get ice cream afterwards.
Fuck that.
This is so much torture.
No, because I chose to keep my parents alive. I should get that one.
Okay,
Oh my
you
God.
should get the green.
Just there. No. Fuck you.
That's less than I was giving you the first couple rounds.
Bullshit. Yeah, first couple rounds. But,
You can do it. Go, Brandon. Go, Brandon. Go. Go, Brandon. Go, Brandon. Go. Go, Brandon. Go, Brandon. Go. You can do it.
I'm not a Ninja Turtle.
Think about the ice cream. Think about the ice cream. Ice cream and candy.
You know, I can't think of ice cream right now. It's all melted. I'm just thinking of my star name.
Your star name? Okay, you would become a shapeshifter. But
Done.
you endure... It's my
I
question.
know, but I would be done.
Yeah.
I would do it.
But you endure the pain of your very flesh being ripped off and every bone breaking in your body every time you change.
I would so do that.
Truthfully, I wouldn't mind that because you would literally become another person. Become another person.
Fuck changing into people.
Or you could become into anything.
I know.
I'm good at this.
I hate you. You can teleport. You can no longer
Enter airports.
I don't care. Airports suck. Have you seen the South Park airport thing?
No. Have you ever been in a real airport?
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Airports suck.
Okay. Do you want to make this the last one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Rank dependent.
You unlimited wishes, but you can never experience the true feeling of eating a bagel.
This is a dumb question.
The true feeling of eating a bagel.
You know? Okay.
Yeah?
No. You're probably gonna get this right anyways.
Unlimited wishes, but bagels. Unlimited wishes, but bagels.
But remember, you're not Jewish.
Bad Jewish joke.
Bagels.
Oh. Do these bagels have jam?
I don't care.
Or is it just anything to do with bagels? You're just done.
I'm in so much pain.
You're in so much pain.
Oh, my mommy.
It's okay. Pap. I'm gonna have so much hot sauce left over. I would go for it. Unlimited wishes. Yeah.
It's just fucking bagels.
Yeah. It's just fucking bagels. Now I don't have to eat them. I can just fuck the bagels.
Oh, ha. Oh. Ooh. Definitely. My mouth feels like an asshole.
Well, I guess that's it for this video. Thanks for checking it out. I will see you in the next one. But for now, candle out. You okay, bro? He's okay.